Yemo Bibia Kwame Biamon Famra Bayie Sports Stadium. Where a MTN FA Cup quarter-final game between Kara United and Afenso Golden Kick. Baba Yara Eberu from this hour to the hour of 19 GMT. Essentially, right after this game, Yebetrin Transfer Nafe, Yatranse Kumasi Asante Kotoko. And so, I welcome through democracy. Bono left back, Edema, team Golden Kicks. But the Bono confirmed to say Roland Gripman. But the Quetre Bono Edaswe Kita Golden Kicks. They are waiting. I'm waiting me call number 10 Jesse. Papa ni din Eddie. The Costa Owusu. Kubira 18 boss in the mo. Sunday long division so that the Obia one Chimian Cabo Nemum born in Saye. And that's why Kita Kara United number 28 Jesse. Honoso Atene 38 Rada. As a Dean Hausa. Naso Yajidia Fru and Sambona Samba Bedron Champion 21 Jesse. Abdul Rahman Yaya sent the Bonaco right wing. And that's why Kita Kara United Nanko Hanoma 17 Jesse. Jabro Nuruddin Edibona Kokoma Rasti Abdul Fattah Mohammed Hobitumiakom wa control Fefe Edibona Sanswa Betri Warrior number 4 Jesse Mohammed Abubakar then left leg nama pass Bona da Suakita as the Dean Al Hassan Hobitumiakon Ensudebi will lose it to Golden Kick Obian to me Enshebi or Bayie Sports Stadium. Baby Rooney TV on your YouTube. Obe subscribe on the BBR to me. Aye kama. Nemom Yuguswa kama say your best sports commentator Asante Region 2025 Focus City Hill Focus Media Awards and so Obe Dali star 426 has star 426 star 60 has Nafe Wanta nominee code no TF5644 Nafe where say Obetua so with number of votes na what confirm na bibia to me aye kama aye the 14th City Hill Focus Media Awards 2025 Eric Asiedu Baby Rooney as your best sports commentator into 96.1 and until short code in here star 426 star 60 hash now I enter nominee code TF5644 yet to a game and some famao now so they be born in a mountain baby crying a welcome cookie goalkeeper Edema Kara United Nasir Abdul Karim one at 20 bonus wa Nemom goal kick or body etia Golden Kick where the boy in Kokoma 13 Jesse Gariba Facer Edibona Quetri Nemum Ababedru center circle beautiful control Asante Bona Betribium Ababedru Abdul Latif everywhere Mohammed Abubakar Bakar Edibona co center circle Wachina Bono so beautiful da Kokoma Jabil Nuruddin Adasu Kitadema Kara United Wama pass so there be it will be to form assistance referee 2 were flagging for offside against Golden Kick. Don't forget to say this is the cider. Homoso Ayi Continental Club Masters Accra Hatterfolk Eddie Frimo MTN FA Cup Inti Okaiwamo Ewo this 2024-25 campaigner Omo Enshadanye Bayra Brewa Jebiasa referee for the day. Our still for foul against Kara United. Obien to mention goal. Still on 14th City Hill Focus Media Awards. Updating on a vote for Baby Rooney. All the way Angel 96.1. A star 426 star 60 Haseno Ebeba Nafe Wasende Ubia Obebi Sao enter nominee code a capital T capital F 5644 na wa enter number of vote Debbie Pona Koko Boakama Baby Drew, number 29 Jesse, Asmani Ibrahim of Chumiako, Nanso Debi, Wachai Eddie Abetri Bona Baby Drew, Dede Ismail, Nanso, Hetibon the Fluence and Bona Baby Drew, golden kick, left back, or control the Fefe, Warrior long pass and Debi or the Bona Quetri, when a midfielder, Bonnet Suakita, golden kicks, our center circle, long pass, Nanso and Chumiako, it's a 10 Hassan, or Baba Chibon and them on Bonnie true. Bono a true Edema golden kicks number 99 Jesse one no kita for the Bono kicks number 99 Jesse one no kita for the Bono coach Blacks again for the Bono call midfield and a kita golden kicks number 20 upon it in Eddie David Amusu releases to number 77 Sakari Momoni, Wama Parsons, so Kara United Ababachi, Faisa Gariba Abopon and so a welcome throwing cry, a content baby cry. Bonia, welcome throwing. Wato Eddie Ben Finfin, golden kicks, 27 Jesse. Edward Bentum on my pass, warrior number 99, bless again, Obetumiako, one on Swama pass, for the Bona Quetri, warrior Paul Yeboa, Nansodebi. Bonnet Suakita, golden kicks number 27 Jesse, Edward Bentum, a true year to Ediotia, Carrera United, Mika was a Obien to mean say go, 3 matches at a day. Young Porcupines, which is Asante Kotoko youth team, Eshe Ahinema United, 7 goals to 1. Right after that, and yeah, witness Carrera United and golden kicks 7 p.m. Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Any true democracy so the Babweni who be to me anti so went to me anti. Erunti Bono welcome goalkeeper the Makaraba Nasiru Abdul Karim. For the Bonaco was to say Abdul Rahman Yaya and Alfonso Estin Al Hausa Bona Baby Drew golden kick midfielders. One more pass. True pass score number 15. Between International 13 rather. Paul Yeboa Nanso Bonada Suakitana. We're 18 Boston Nanso defend where you Eddie Floor. For the Bona Quachra Kokoma number 17 Jabil Nuruddin Edema Carrera. Hubetumiako, Hojina Bonoso, Amia Baba Jeffrey Nissan, referee said play must continue. Energy and Asuakita captain of the side, the man golden kicks. Warrior number 10 Jesse, Debbie Watane to number 37. Honosu Edibona Quechra Kokoma captain of the side, Edema golden kicks. Waba number 99, bless Ama true pass. Bonada Suakita, golden kicks. Number 10 Jesse, Obe control Da Costa Wisu. Nansodebi, born to me, Uncle Obia, Ababa Drew, Carrera United, 42 Jesse, Abdul Fattah Mohammed, captain for the day, Nanso throw against Carrera United, Wato Edibona Quetri, Bona Ababa Drew, a golden kick, center circle, captain of the side, one no Jenetri, what the Bona call left wing, Debbie, Wamada Suakita, golden kicks, what the Bona Quetri, when I switch in a swap, Yate Ahmed, Naso, Yerubiato from Rough Recep on your Fauritia, Carrera United, as Baba Yara Sports Stadium MTN FA Cup quarterfinals match day 3. Isanse Enra Yenya 2 matches. Tima Nidin Eddie Park Academy any Atram Divisor and D 4-3 on penalties. And Brekum Chelsea so any Bechem United. Wamo Chichire Kabako Ediswa Bechem United and Unti Atram Divisor are going through to the semi-finals along Brekum Chelsea. And this match, the winning wako kushia Atram Divisor na enyimre nonson ekosini nonkonoso wa obedin kunimonso wako kushia Brekum Chelsea. Don't forget to say Asante Kotoko Dinkunimwa on Wednesday, Ghana Premier League. When Brekum Chelsea ewo fiha. Enti so Dinkunimwa nacha se Womanya 2 matches. Baku Ebekoso Ewo Kumasi announcer Takwa TNA Park. Enobeye MTN FA Cup Semifinals. Na league no so akoso ewo fia na bibia kama. Free kick, captain of the side. Edma golden kick. Wabo a trickle yum Nansodebi. Born and say it. At a Swawa Kara United 18-year boss. Kara Sayet Juma. What about now Quetri? Warrior number 29 Jesse. What Jinas over Fefe. Nanso referee Abanabemo Ajifao. Still live on YouTube, Baby Rooney TV. Obey me and subscribe now. Share link, share the link. Share the link, share the link more than Pastor Elvis Ajamantiano Kra, Name Kuyanima, Bonnet Swakita, Golden Kicks. They are surging forward. Homo Somobenya breakthrough. Na a fail mania, first goal number 30 Jesse. But Bona Koiti and Boston Suribi. Yeah, through referee set me Munhi, Massa, Young Kuyanim 38 Jesse. But the Bonnet call right wing. Bonnet Swakita, Kara United, beautiful display. Nansudebi, Wambetumiako. Pass it, Troy Bayie. Yes, long pass. Wama pass, Bonnet Swakita.